Good day, learners. So good to be with you again. We are dealing with our third part of this question. So this is the third video. If you missed the other two, go and have a look at that as well. And now we're going to deal with another question where they're asking us to find sine 9 in terms of m. And so we can see that 9 degrees is half of 18, or 18 is double 9. That means they are asking us double angles. All right, so we go to this cos 2 alpha or 2 9 in this particular case, and we are busy with sine, so we will go to the sine answer of that, right? So we will write it out as cos, let's put it that way, 2 9, and of course that will give us that answer, 1 minus 2 squared 9. Now remember, we're finding sine 9, so we want to solve for sine 9 like solving for x. So we want to leave sine 9 on the right hand side. So we take over, that is of course cos 18. We take over that, right? So that's just doing it a little bit slower. You can do it all in one if you can see it, but if you can't, do it one step at a time. So we get rid of the negative, which means the negative becomes negative 1 becomes positive 1, and of course that becomes negative over there, leaving us with that over there, right? So now we can get rid of the 2, which means the 2 basically goes over there, and we get rid of the square and becomes square root plus minus. And of course we can now replace the cos 18 with m, and we have our answer for sine 9. All right, so not very difficult, but of course it's going to take some time to get used to, and that's why I'm saying to you, keep practicing. Make sure you make all the mistakes in your practice time. So the more practice you have, the more mistakes you can make, and the more things you can get rid of to prepare yourself, of course, for the exams where you can make no mistakes if you want, right? Depending on your preparation. So wishing you well. We're going to look at the next section of trigonometry in the next video.